Hi. Today we have a puzzle full of sea creatures. Let's see if you can identify them all. I will give you clues to help you along the way. What animal is this? It breathes underwater. Some live in the ocean, others on rivers. You can have them in a fish bowl at home. It's a fish. Good job. What animal is this one? It's the largest mammal living in the ocean. It has to come to the surface of the ocean to breathe. Eats a large quantity of fish. It's a whale. Good job. What animal is this? It's small with a curved body and long slender legs. It's often pink or gray in color and has a hard outer shell to protect itself. It's a shrimp. Great work. What about this one? What's its name? It lives in the ocean or river. It needs to come to the surface to breathe. It has a hard shell that it hides when in danger. It's a turtle. What is this friend name? It lives in the ocean and has a soft body. It has 8 arms called tentacles. It can change color and squirt ink to escape from predators. It's an octopus. Well done. What about this animal? It's a large fish that lives in the ocean and has a streamlined body. Has sharp teeth for hunting other fish. It's known for its dorsal fin that sticks out of the water when it swims. It's a shark. Who is this? It's a tiny creature that lives in the ocean and has a shape resembling a horse. It swims upright, using its long, curly tail to hold on to seaweed or other objects. It's a seahorse. Good job. The puzzle is complete. Let's just remember all the names again. Seahorse, fish, whale, shrimp, octopus, shark, and turtle. Thank you for watching. It was great to learn about all the sea creatures. See you next time. Goodbye.